Welcome to Quiz Hunters. In this video, we will learn about a quiz on astronomy. You will get 5 seconds to answer each of the question. If you love our video, you can even support us by subscribing, liking and sharing this content as well. Let's begin. Question number 1. What is the study of the evolution of universe called? And the correct answer for this one is cosmology. Next question, which country was the first to travel to space? And the correct answer for this one is Soviet Union. Next question is, what is the sun mainly made of? And the correct answer for this one is gas. Next question, how much do astronauts grow in space? And the correct answer for this one is 2 inches. Next question, what type of a galaxy is our Milky Way? And the correct answer for this one is spiral galaxy. Next question is, how many natural satellites do our Earth have? And the correct answer for this one is 1. Next question, what are most of the planets in our solar system named after? And the correct answer for this one is Greek Roman gods. Next question, a group of stars that resemble an earthly object is called? And the correct answer for this one is Constellation. Next question, what is a ball of ice and dust with a long glowing tail called? And the correct answer for this one is Comet. Next question, what determines the color and brightness of stars? And the correct answer for this one is surface temperature. Next question is, what is the name of the galaxy that we live in? And the correct answer for this one is Milky Way. Next question, how many miles is an astronomical unit? And the correct answer for this one is 93 million. Next question is, what is the degree of tilt of the Earth's axis? And the correct answer for this one is 23.5 degrees. Next question is, which other term is used to refer to the moon? And the correct answer for this one is lunar. Next question is, what is believed to be at the center of our galaxy? And the correct answer for this one is a black hole. Next question is, what's the name of NASA's famous space telescope? And the correct answer for this one is Hubble Space Telescope. Next question is, how long does it take the sunlight to reach Earth? And the correct answer for this one is 8.3 minutes. Next question, what type of a star is our Sun? And the correct answer for this one is Dwarf Star. Next question is, why do astronauts wear white spacesuit? And the correct answer for this one is white reflects light. Next question, which planet is known as the Earth's sister planet? And the correct answer for this one is Venus. Next question is, which year did Neil Armstrong walk on the moon? And the correct answer for this one is 1969. Next question is, what is the other name of the North Star? And the correct answer for this one is Pole Star. Next question is, what is the age of our universe? And the correct answer for this one is 14 billion years. Next question is, where can we find the Sea of Tranquility? And the correct answer for this one is Moon. Next question is, which is the most abundant element in the universe? And the correct answer for this one is hydrogen. Next question is, which planet is also called morning or evening star? And the correct answer for this one is Venus. Next question is, what is the visible part of the sun called as? And the correct answer for this one is Photosphere. Next question is, name the biggest asteroid in our solar system. And the correct answer for this one is Ceres. Next question, what is the usual duration of the sunspot cycle? And the correct answer for this one is 11 years. Next question is, name the star nearest to the Sun. And the correct answer for this one is Proxima Centauri. Thanks for watching these videos, guys. Hope you have enjoyed it. If yes, you can even support us by sharing and liking this content as well. See you next time. Stay safe and be happy. Thanks.